Come on, come on. I can't wait to show you this only 3-year-old home on Lake Columbia. From the time you walk through the door, the views are incredible. You're welcome to buy 9-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors, leading you into the expansive open concept with vaulted ceilings, custom kitchen, granite countertops, black stainless appliances. Make your way through the expansive doorway onto the incredible covered deck with a resort-like feel. And oh, by the way, the sun sets directly across the lake. If you're interested in learning more about this property or setting up a private tour, contact me directly. And if this isn't for you or you're interested in seeing other properties, we feature all sorts of Irish Hills homes, neighborhoods, lakes, and businesses. To tell you all about what's going on in the Irish Hills, give us a follow at Living in Irish Hills on YouTube, and we can't wait to connect with you there.